Unveiled in 2023, the latest edition of the Nissan Ariya stands as a testament to the automaker's prowess in electric vehicle engineering. This all-electric SUV boasts a sleek and modern design, representing Nissan's future direction in both style and technology. The vehicle's exterior is an eye-catching blend of fluid lines, bold contours, and intricate detailing, which together create a sense of sophisticated dynamism. Under the hood, the vehicle doesn't disappoint. It offers two battery options, a standard 63 kilowatt-hour battery and a larger 87 kilowatt-hour one. Depending on the chosen battery pack and drivetrain configuration, the Ariya can deliver a range of between 223 to 310 miles on a single charge. This flexibility provides the driver with the power to customize their vehicle's performance to their driving needs and lifestyle. The performance is further enhanced by Nissan's e-Force all-wheel drive system. This new technology provides superior cornering stability and traction on various road surfaces, resulting in a confident and engaging driving experience. The system can intelligently distribute torque to the wheels that need it most, ensuring optimum performance at all times. Another standout feature is the Ariya's ProPilot Assist 2.0, Nissan's latest driver assistance system. This advanced technology offers a range of safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities in certain conditions. This system represents a significant step towards autonomous driving. On the connectivity front, the SUV comes with Nissan Connect, a comprehensive suite of connected car services. This includes remote control of certain car functions via a smartphone app, real-time traffic updates, and over-the-air software updates, ensuring the car's technology remains up to date. The 2023 model also introduces a new feature, the Nissan Intelligent Personal Assistant. This voice-controlled AI system can perform a range of functions, such as adjusting the climate control, providing real-time information, and even learning the driver's preferences over time for a more personalized driving experience. The Nissan Ariya is designed to be environmentally friendly. Its zero-emission powertrain, coupled with the use of recycled materials in the cabin, underscores Nissan's commitment to sustainability. In addition, the vehicle supports bidirectional charging, allowing it to act as a mobile energy storage unit, which could potentially be used to power homes or return energy to the grid. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.